State law is taking aim at gun offenses committed by minors, creating mandatory minimum sentences and making it easier for police to make arrests.
Jake Stofan is live on the east side. Jake, this new law aims to create more accountability.
And part of that accountability, as you all mentioned, would be mandatory minimum stays in juvenile detention facilities like this one here. For minor gun offenses, adolescents could face several days to 3 weeks in one of these detention centers, but more serious offenders could face even longer stays.
Juveniles found to have committed offenses involving firearms are now facing stiffer penalties. A new state law sponsored by State Representative Bernie Jacques sets mandatory sentences in juvenile detention centers ranging from 5 days for first offense misdemeanors to more than a month for felony gun offenses.
This is a way to deter them, to make sure that they pivot away from a life of crime.
The new law also exempts juveniles who commit gun offenses from participating in pre-arrest delinquency citation programs, previously called civil citation programs.
People are getting gunned down and killed at the hands of juveniles, and we want to send a very strong message that once you start committing crimes involving firearms, this program will not be available to you.
Here in the 4th Judicial Circuit, minors facing gun charges have rarely been allowed to participate in civil citation programs. Still, Sheriff T.K. Waters applauded the new state law's focus on accountability, telling us in a statement it, quote, helps put the focus back on individual responsibility and allows for law enforcement to hopefully play a larger role in helping deter young people from pursuing a life of crime. On the other hand, Action News Jack's law and safety expert Dale Carson questioned whether it's realistic to expect the judicial system to solve the youth gun violence problem.
They're children, and they have to learn their behavior strategies from other adults. They don't learn their behavior strategies based on some arcane law passed by a bunch of legislatures in another part of the state.
But Jacques argued the new law's intent goes beyond just accountability.
And so we need to make sure that we crack down in order to keep our people here safe in Florida.
And one other change made in this new law is that it allows law enforcement to make arrests when they have probable cause to believe a minor is committing a misdemeanor gun crime. Previously, officers would have needed to obtain a warrant to make those arrests. For local coverage you can count on live on the east side, I'm Jake Stofan, Action News Jack.